I thought that perhaps I should refresh dev c++, so that's why I closed the previous file and again open the dev c++. Now let me write for loop, and inside for loop first I have to provide a variable, so integer a is equal to 1, let's suppose, semicolon. Second statement will be a condition like a less than 10, semicolon, sorry, less than 10. Okay, third statement should be an increment, so after that curly bracket starts, and here I'll write cout statement, cout a. For each value there must be new line, semicolon. Okay, so let's check if the issue resolved. What's wrong with it? Anybody who is finding any error?
I cannot see any error.
Okay, what else I found?
There is no strange.
Sorry.
It did not include strange.
String? Where should I include string? Where to include string? We are doing for loop. Let me do what you people do to check if there is any mistake in my coding. I think there is some issue with dev C++. Yes. Issue with
I think it's the ID.
ID returns one issue status, but what to do?
Now why not trying to run it online? To run it on the W3 school.
W3 school, on W3 school they will cause no issue. There is issue with this dev C++. Yes, now it's okay. Okay, so now we'll try our on. Let anybody tell me what should I write first? Integer, any variable name?
X
X. Then
equals to 10.
then next, second statement.
Then a less than x less than 20.
Okay, then
X plus plus.
okay, then
See out x.
okay,
Then return 0. think my the space.
This is the issue. This is comma instead of semicolon. So this is the outcome. I hope you all are understand. No explanation needed.
Yes, ma.
Okay, let's move towards today's topic, that was break statement and continue statement. Let me we have already done break keyword in switch statements. You remember in switch statements we the syntax for switch statements like switch keyword, and inside small bracket we provide a condition, and then inside curly bracket we write case 1 cout statement break, then case 2 cout statement break, then case 3 cout statement break. You have done a weekday assignment for case for switch statements recently. So
Yes, ma.
you notice that there the purpose of writing break was to exit out of the loop where the condition meets, or if for the case that comes true when user enter a value. So the purpose of writing break is to exit out of the loop. Similarly, here we will try break keyword. Before cout statement, you will provide a if condition. For example, I say if x equals to 15. Sorry, for assignment operator we have double equal sign. Okay, i I say if x equals to 15, then curly bracket, inside curly bracket I'll write break. Okay, now let's run the program. So wherever the condition meets, iteration ends there. We get exit from the loop because of the keyword break. So this is how we can use break keyword inside our loop iteration. Even so, next keyword is continue. So the purpose of continue is to skip the value where condition meets this condition, where this condition get meets. Okay, and then continue the remaining iteration. For example, the value of x will be iterated till 14, then the 15 will get skipped, and 16, 17, 18 and 19. Until this condition get meets, the iteration will get continued. Let's run this. So you can see that 15 is missing here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is missing, then 16, 17, 18, 19. This is the purpose of writing continue keyword. So by writing continue, the if condition gets closed from the loop iteration. I hope you are getting.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Mustafa.
it's time for prayer for me.
Sorry.
I want to go and pray, ma'am.
Okay, you can go for pray.
Okay, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma, please, are you recording the class?
Yes, I am recording the class.
Okay, so thank you.
Welcome. Let's try it for the while loop. Okay, what is the syntax for while loop? What is the syntax for writing while loop? Suleiman Mustafa, turn on your mic. I hope you are fine. Welcome to the class.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Suleiman, please tell me the syntax for while loop.
I just joined the class. I don't know it.
This is this has been covered in our previous classes. This is not new for you.
I couldn't remember. Yes.
That's very shameful because we didn't have class last week and I asked you guys to revise the things that we have done previously. Okay, for while loop, first of all we declare a variable like integer is equal to, oh sorry, variable name, let's suppose a is equal to 3 semicolon. Then we write while loop inside the small bracket. We provide a condition, let's say while a less than 10, then start curly bracket and write cout statement like cout a and with increment and each time into a new line. This is how we write a while loop. Okay, there is some error. So a was equal to, our integer a was equal to 3, and then iteration until it less than 10. This is how we write a while loop. Okay, this just remember that for while loop, this is the difference for for loop and while loop. For for loop, we use this syntax in which we provide three statements inside the small brackets of for loop. But for while loop, we first declare and initialize a variable. Inside while loop small bracket, we provide the condition, then see out statement, each iteration with a new line, and in the next line we provide the increment. Okay, so if now I want to add a break or continue keyword, what I would do? So for that, I'll write if provide any condition like a is equal to 6, then curly bracket, and I say break, but after break continue iteration of a. Then see out a with increment. Okay, we have 15 minutes, so we will finish in 15 minutes inshallah. It takes time. Why is it taking so much time? So this is the result. You see, even for while loop, the we get exit from the loop wherever the compiler reads the break keyword. Okay, I hope you are getting. Let's try continue instead. And you know, the word continue means whenever this condition meets, the value gets skipped and then the increment get continued. For example, the value of a will get printed like 3, and with increment in each new line 4, 5, but whenever there is 6, this value gets skipped and then continued with 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's run the program. There is again some error. we are doing break and continuous statements. So we have done with for loop, use of break, continue with for loop, and while loop. So here they have first write C code statement and then they provided the if statement. So you see, if even if we do if we write if statement just here and then provide the C out statement, it's okay even then. For continue statement they followed the same, like provide if statement just after the while condition, and then the same way that I have told you. Okay, it's still taking some time. If there is any question you can ask, because we have run short of time. The class will end soon, so it will show the results, but till that if there is any question so far you can ask. Okay, so again it has the same problem. So this is the result. You see 6 is missing because it has been skipped. 3 4 5 7 8 9. So this is the result of continue statement. If there is any question you can ask. Otherwise you know class is going to be end soon. I mean their meeting is going to be end soon. Any questions so far, or you are ready for the assignment? Hello guys, are you with me?
Yes, ma, we are. No question, ma.
Okay then, Allah Hafiz, good night, sweet dreams, Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you, ma. Good night.
We love you. I love you too.
I love you 3 4 5. I will upload the recording on YouTube.